Hello friends, this is your Canvas Academy, myself Swarupanand. In this lecture, I am going to teach you the operations of vectors in Cartesian form. We know how we add two vectors in Cartesian form, how we subtract and how we also find their multiplication in Cartesian form. Let's guys see, first we discussed about vector addition. Let a vector A is equal to ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap, and another vector. This is a 3D vector. It has three components. Bx I cap plus by j cap plus bg k cap. Now we find the addition. That means we add a vector b vector with a. Then we have to add their x component, and their y component. Very simple. Addition is very simple. Look, ax plus bx I cap plus ay plus by j cap plus ag and bg k cap. Guys, look, this is our resultant vector. That means we find the addition of a plus b. Next, take an example. Let a is equal to 3 I cap plus 4 j cap minus 3 k cap, and b is equal to 2 I cap plus 4, it means 5 j cap and 5 k cap. So a plus b should be 3 plus 2 I cap plus 4 plus 5 j cap plus minus 3 minus 5 k cap. We can also write the a minus 3 plus minus 5 k cap. Then we get a plus b is equal to 5 I cap plus 9 j cap minus 8 k cap. This is our a plus b vector, or say it is the resultant vector of a plus b. 5 I cap plus 9 j cap minus 8 k cap. We get the another vector which is in also Cartesian form. So guys, next, subtraction. Vector subtraction. Look, it is also very simple. Let a vector a is ax I cap plus ay j cap plus ag k cap, and then another vector bx I cap, b vector is bx I cap plus by j cap plus bg k cap, and a minus b will be ax minus bx I cap plus ay minus by j cap plus ag minus bg j cap. Take an example. Let's take an example. Let a equal to 3 I cap plus 9 j cap plus 4 k cap. Then another vector b is equal to let 5 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 7 k cap. Then a difference b or a minus b will be 3 minus 5 I cap, 9 minus 3 j cap plus 4 minus 7 k cap. Let a difference b is equal to minus 2 I cap plus 6 j cap plus minus 3 k cap. This is also another vector. A difference b is another vector which is also 3 coordinate. We can subtract or add two vectors of different dimension. That means we can add 3D vector with 2D vector, 3D vector with 3D vector, 3D vector with 1D vector. That means, but we have to remember that these vectors are same physical quantities. These vectors must have same physical quantities. That means we can add force with force vector, velocity with velocity vector, likewise. Guys, next we discuss the dot product multiplication of vectors, addition, subtraction and multiplication of vectors. Please take a screenshot. There is two types of products in vectors. One is dot product and another is cross product. Today we will discuss only dot product. Dot product of vectors in Cartesian form. Let suppose a vector A having the component of ax I cap plus ay j cap plus ag k cap. Then another vector of B is having the component of bx I cap plus by j cap plus bj k cap. Then a dot b will be ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap dot bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. Then first we multiply the first term of the first component of a vector with the whole component of b vector. That means ax bx I cap dot I plus ax dot by I cap I dot j, then ax bj I dot k, then plus ay bx j dot I plus ay dot by j dot j plus ay dot bg, then j dot k, then with the last component of a, we will multiply the last component of a with the whole components of b vectors, that is az into bx, that is k cap dot I, k dot I, the plus ag by, then k into j plus ag by bg k dot k. Look guys, first we have to know the product of unit vector. First we have to know the product of unit vector. I into I dot I, j dot j, I dot j, I dot k. Look here, when we take the dot product with I with I, or j with j, or k with k, one, then that is the I cap, that means 1 into cos theta, I into I, the magnitude of unit vector is 1, so 1 into 1, that is equal to magnitude is 1, but 1 cos theta cos 0, the angle between the I cap is along the x-axis. In case of both equal vector, the theta will be 0, so cos theta will be 1, sin 0 0, cos 0 1, so I cap j cap into j cap I cap, k cap is equal to 1, and when we I into j dot or j dot into I dot is equal to 0. That is because I is perpendicular to j, the direction of I is perpendicular to j, so cos 90 will be 0. Cos 90 will be 0. That means I dot j will be 0 or j dot I will be 0. Likewise, I dot k and k dot I will be 0. J dot k and k dot j will be 0. So look guys, by in this method, using this concept, we find that ax bx I into I is equal to ax bx, and ax bx I into j will be 0. I dot j will be 0. That means total term will be 0. Likewise, this term will be 0. This term will be 0. Ij. So theta is 90 degree. So I dot j will be 0. So total term will be 0. Then this term will be 0. But this term will ay into by, and another az dot bz will be 0. This will be 0. But this will be az into bz. That means 3 corner diagonal element. These 3 diagonal element remains these three diagonal element, other element will be 0. Look here, here, this will be 0. That means A dot B will AX BX AX BX plus AY BY plus AG BG. This is our formula of dot product of Cartesian form of vectors. So guys, look here, the dot product of two vector is defined as the sum of the product of their magnitude of component along three coordinate axis. So and let I cross A cross A dot A. I want to multiply A with A. I want to take the dot product of A with A. So I get AX into AX. In place of BX I put AX because both the vector is a plus BY, sorry, AY instead of BY will be AY plus EG instead of AG, instead of BG we put AG, then AX square plus AY square plus A dot square. If I found that A into A dot A cos theta, this is formula of dot product, that is A square cos theta will be 0, theta will be 0, so cos theta will be 1, so A square is equal to AX square plus AY square plus A this G square. So A is equal to, A means magnitude of A, you can find that magnitude of A or magnitude of A is equal to AX square plus A Y square plus A G square under root of A square plus A Y square plus A G square. This is our, so that means we can find the magnitude of a vector using the concept of dot product of vectors. Using the concept of dot product of vector, this is the magnitude of a vector. So guys, let's take some examples of dot product of vectors. Let a vector 3 I cap plus 7 j cap minus 2 k cap, and another vector 4 I cap minus 3 j cap plus 5 k cap. We have to find the dot product of A B. This means this is A plus B, that is AX and X 3 to 4 plus the formula is AX into BX, AX into BX, then AY into BY, then AY, AZ, AG into BG. AY means here AY is 7 into minus 3 and plus minus 2 into plus k, that is equal to 12 minus 21 minus 10, that is equal to minus 8 minus 19 minus 19. Guys, that's it for today. Next we discuss about the cross product in Cartesian form. So guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.